This is what most footage looks like before I touch it. And this is what it looks like in the hands of a good editor. And audio quality matters more than you might think. This is what mine sounded like before. And this is studio quality audio. Same mic, just dialed in, using the right editing tools. A competent editor can also create modern and attention-grabbing titles. Use advanced techniques like motion tracking. Add graphics in 3D space behind the speaker. And utilize creative transitions. And I stay current using all the latest AI tools. But anyone can just add effects. What actually matters is knowing when to use them and when to show restraint and let the edit breathe. Because what makes a great editor is finding the right tone, the pacing, the timing, the rhythm, and especially the music. And the right track doesn't just fill space, it draws you in. And the right sound design doesn't just support the visuals, it brings everything to life. But the magic isn't just making things look good.
Daddy!
The magic is making people feel something. And making sure your content actually feels like you. If you want your content to resonate with your audience, I'd love to help. Let's create something together.